Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial on SolidWorks. Today in this video, we are going to create a 3D model of a carburetor body. I have a drawing from my book and I'm going to use that drawing. Okay, so let's start with part and select top plane, sketch. Now circle and draw a circle of 50 mm, extrude it. Okay, 38 in upward direction, and in direction 2 it is 92 minus 38, 54 mm. Okay, now select this face, sketch, and draw a 78 mm feature, extruded base, reverse the direction, and it is 10 mm. Now select the base, sketch, draw a circle here, 32 mm, and extrude it 118 minus 92, 26 mm. Okay, now go to front plane, sketch, normal to. Okay, draw a circle here, 32 mm. I am actually selecting origin because I checked the drawing and there was a condition that this point was at 38 mm, so I extruded it like that, 38 mm upward and 54 mm downward. So that's why I have a relation. Otherwise, it is at a distance of 38 mm from top. Okay. Now extrude it 39 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, and draw a 38 mm circle. Extruded cut till 76 mm. Now front plane, sketch, select this face. Okay, uh, let's have a section view. Okay, now we have to first convert this edge here, convert entities. Now a line tool and draw a line like this, and I will complete this profile like this. Okay, keep in mind that this vertical line should be coincident to the origin. Okay. Okay, now the relation here is 3 mm. Okay, draw a center line here. This dimension is 19 mm. Okay, now go to features, revolved cut, click OK. Now there is a tab here, so go to hole wizard. Okay, ISO tabbed M16 into 1.5. Now in options, select cosmetic thread here. Okay. Now go to positions and okay, make this up to next. Okay, this end condition. Click OK. Now there is a tapping from below also. Select this face, sketch. Sorry. Go to hole wizard. M12 into 1.25. Positions. Select this face and origin. And condition should be same up to next. Usually we add these tabs at the end, but I'm going to do it right now. Okay. So this portion is complete. Now select this face and reference geometry plane. Okay. And the distance is 44 mm. Flip offset. Okay. Reverse the direction. Now select this plane one and sketch normal to. Draw a circle of 70 mm. Smart dimension. And the distance of this circle from origin is 25 mm from this side and 70 mm horizontally. Okay. Now extrude it 70 mm in reverse direction. Okay. Select this face, sketch. Now draw a circle of 100 mm diameter. Extrude it 8 mm. Reverse the direction. Okay. Now select the base here, sketch, and draw a circle concentric to the edge. The diameter is 19 mm. Go to features, extruded base, and extrude it 10 mm. Okay. Again, now we have to create a plane here. Okay. So I will first select. There are many ways to do it. Like I can show the sketch here. Okay. Now select front plane and this point here of this sketch here. Go to reference geometry plane and it should be parallel coincident to this point. Click OK. Okay. Now select this plane and sketch normal to. Now draw a circle here of diameter 32 mm. Okay. Now the distance between the axes is 70 mm. Okay. Okay, and the distance from the top of this is 38 mm. Okay, let me tell you one more tip. Okay, let's make this dimension driven, and you can see that this is now free. But I want this center to be coincident on the axis of this cylindrical body. So I will go to visual filters and enable temporary axis. So you don't have to create actually any axis. You can just use a axis which is about this circular body. Now select this axis and this point and create a coincident relation, and you can see that the dimension 70 mm is automatically generated. Okay, now let's hide our temporary axes. We don't need to show them. Extrude it in reverse direction 48 mm. Now let's hide this sketch here, hide this plane, select this face sketch and draw a circle here 58 mm. Features extruded cut 64 mm. Click OK. Okay, now we have to create a tap here, but before we do that we have to add ribs here. Okay, first let's add tapping here. I will go to hole wizard. Okay, M12 into 1.25. Go to positions and select this face. Okay, up to next. Now we have to add a tapping here also. Go to hole wizard, positions. It is also M12 into 1.25. Okay, now there is a rib here. Okay, we have to add that rib also. Okay, so to add that rib, select this face and sketch. Now select this edge here, convert entities. Okay, now normal to. Okay, now draw a center line from this center to this center here. Okay, let's convert this edge here also. Okay, now draw tangents from this, like this, from this circle. Okay, let's create a symmetric relation between these lines here. Okay, you can only create a symmetric relation if uh, there is a center line. Let's add a parallel relation also. Okay, now go to trim entities. Let's trim all these here. Okay, now go to features, extruded base, extrude it 6 mm in reverse direction. Okay, you can see that it is interfering with the tapping here. Okay, so let's draw a circle here, origin. It should be bigger than the tapping here. Okay, so let's make it 20 mm. Okay, extrude it, boss base, reverse the direction 6 mm. Okay, now we have to add a rib. Okay, till the top, and we also have to create a flange here. Okay, uh, Okay, let's select this face, sketch, and select this face, convert entity. Okay, this is interfering here. We will fix that also. Okay, now select this edge, convert entities, draw a center line from center to center. Let's repeat the same process as we did for the lower. Okay, trim. Now double click this surface to make it up to surface and select this. This is a shortcut way. You can otherwise you have to first select up to surface and select this, or you can just double click this face. Okay, click OK. One more thing. This tab, move it all the way down. Okay, let's move all the tabs all the way down. Okay. And there is some reference with this, so it is not allowing me to move it, but it's okay. Now we have to create a rib from this face to this face also. So let's select this face, sketch, and draw a line from this center to this center. Okay. Okay. Select this edge and convert again. Trim entities. Okay, that was wrong. Trim it like this. Okay. Okay. Let's extrude it. Thin feature. Okay. Make it mid plane 6 mm and up to surface and select this surface. Okay, you can see there is some gap here. We will fix that also. Click OK. Okay, there is a zero thickness error here because this is uh, exactly here. So go to trim entity and extend it here. Okay, I will just hold my right click and move this here, little here, little here. Okay, and let's try extrude it again, mid plane up to this surface. Click OK, and you can see there was no error, but we have a unwanted body here. You can just use delete face and select all these three faces. Click OK. Okay, now we have to add a lip here also, a small collar. Diameter 44 mm. Feature extruded cut 4 mm. Okay, now we have to add fillets. Before adding fillet, we have to add tappings here. Okay, so that the cover will be clamped here. Okay, select this face, or you can yeah, select this face, sketch. Okay, there are many ways to do it. Okay. Hmm. The best way, if you ask me, is to draw first the references. Okay, the positions, like I drew a line here. Okay, and circular sketch pattern, make it 6 times. Okay, click OK. Let's repeat the process here again also. Circular pattern, uh, but this time not origin. Select this point. Okay, actually we shouldn't do it here. We will make it on the lower face. Okay, select this face and sketch. Draw a center line from the center of the circle, 39 mm. Make it a circular pattern about this point 6 times. Click OK. Let's exit sketch. Now we have to create the tap holes. I will go to hole wizard again. Now here select M8 into 1.0 up to next. OK. On positions, select this face and select all of these points here. Okay, click OK. It is better than the circular pattern option, if you ask me. Now we have to tap here also. M5, select this face and select all of these points. Okay, now let's hide these sketches. One more thing, we have not created any fillet till now. In most of case in drawing, they will not tell you that there is a radius, but they will not tell you the radius value. But if you look closely in drawing, there may be some note in which it will be written like that nominal radius is 2.5 or assume radius 2.5. Okay, so in this case it is 2.5 mm. Okay, now we have to select some edges. Let's not fillet these edges. Okay, Click OK. Okay, this edge shouldn't be selected, but there is a tangent propagation. Okay, so we have there should be more fillet. Let me check. Okay, there is a fillet here also. Okay, let me check if we missed any face. Okay, we missed. So we have filleted every edge that were mentioned in drawing, and we have successfully created the 3D model for the carburetor body. If you like this video, please like, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video tutorial and have a nice day.